Hi everyone. In this session, we are going to discuss electric field and its intensity. Name of chapter is Electric Charges and Field. Objective of this session is to learn about electric field and electric field intensity. This is part 7 video. Let us start the discussion. Before starting the discussion, let us revise some of the topic which we have discussed in the previous classes. Previous knowledge. Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law states that the force of interaction between two charges is directly proportional to product of the charges and inversely proportional to square of distance between them. Equation for Coulomb's law: F equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q1 q2 by vector r modulus of vector r whole square into unit vector r. So we have discussed all these topics in the last classes. In this session we are going to introduce some of the new terms. One is electric field and second one is electric field intensity. Now let us start the discussion. We are considering a positive charge here. It is a positive charge. Okay. It is also known as source charge. And we are placing another positive charge here. There is a positive charge, but there is no force of interaction between these two charges. Normally there should be a force of repulsion, right? Because it is positive and that charge is also positive. So there should be a force of repulsion, but there is no force of repulsion. And we are placing another charge here. Still there is no force of repulsion. And we are placing another charge here. There is no force of repulsion. Here also we are placing a charge. No interaction. We are going to move this charge. We are taking this charge and we are moving this charge to this positive charge. Now these two charges are very close to each other. Because of this position, there is a force of interaction. So we can conclude that this positive charge is having some limitation. This positive charge is not able to apply force of interaction all over the place. There is some area. So here, when we are placing this charge here, then this positive charge is interacting with that charge. So here, if you are considering a region around it, it is a three-dimensional region. We are considering a region around it. In this region, we can feel the presence of charge. When we are placing a charge here, it experiences a force of interaction, force of repulsion. This region is known as electric field. So it is a region, three-dimensional region. Here also you can place a charge. If you are placing charge in the electric field, this region is known as electric field. In the electric field, the charge will experience a force. Okay, if you are placing a charge here, then also there will be interaction because it is inside the electric field. So there will be force of interaction if the charge is inside the electric field. It is a three-dimensional region around the charge. It is a three-dimensional region around the charge. Now let us define electric field. Electric field is the region around a charge where we can feel the presence of the charge. In this region we can feel the presence of charge. If you are placing a charge in this region, it will experience a force of interaction. It can be repulsion or it can be attraction. Okay, so this is called electric field. It is a three-dimensional region. Okay, now let us discuss another topic, electric field intensity. Electric field intensity. We are considering a charge here and it is the region around the charge where we can feel the presence of charge. It is electric field. And we are placing a charge inside this electric field. Here there is a charge. This is a charge and this charge is experiencing a force. Okay, this charge is experiencing a force. It can be repulsion or it can be attraction. Here it is a positive charge. If it is a positive charge, it will be repulsion. This positive charge will experience a force of repulsion and we are moving that charge towards this positive charge. Now the position of this charge is here. Now it is experiencing more force. Compared to the previous case, now it is experiencing more force because the charge is very close to this positive charge. Charge is very close to the source charge. Okay, this is a source charge. And we are placing a charge here. It is experiencing a force of interaction, repulsion. It is positive, so it is force of repulsion. When we are moving this charge closer to this source charge, the force of interaction is increasing. The force is increasing. Why it is increasing? The reason is very simple. Near to this charge, the intensity is more. So intensity is related to force. If one charge is we are placing a charge here, that charge is experiencing more force, means the intensity is more. So intensity of charge we can connect with force experienced by the charge which we are placing here, right? So intensity is force experienced by the charge. Intensity of electric field at a point is measured by the force experienced by the charge placed at that point. Just imagine we are placing a charge here, okay, and this is the charge. The charge is 10 coulomb. So this 10 coulomb charge is experiencing a force, okay, and now we are going to increase the charge. We are increasing it 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Previous case it was 10 coulomb, now it is 20 coulomb. Now also there will be force. Which force will be more, 20 coulomb or 10 coulomb? According to Coulomb's law, if you are increasing the charge, the force will be more, right? If you are increasing the charge, the force will increase. Here, if it is 10 coulomb, there will be force of interaction. 20 coulomb, there will be force of interaction. In the case of 20 coulomb, the force will be more. So we can write that F proportional to Q. Force is proportional to Q, right? Here we can see that F proportional to Q. If we are increasing the charge, the force will be more. Now, here we are placing a charge, it is experiencing a force, right? Here we are placing a charge, it is experiencing a force. Why it is experiencing a force? Because of the intensity. Here less force, because it is far away from the charge. Less force, so less intensity. If we are bringing that charge near to the positive charge, near to the source charge, the force of interaction is more here because it is very close to the charge. If this charge is very close to the source charge, the force of interaction will be more because the intensity is more. Electric field intensity is more. So if the force is more, we can understand that electric field intensity is more, right? So we can say that F proportional to E. What is electric field intensity? It is force only, right? Force experienced by the charge. If the force experienced by the charge is more, we can say that the intensity of electric field is more. Here you can see that F is common. F is a common factor. So we can write F proportional to Q into E. To remove this proportionality sign, we are adding a constant. F equal to K into QE. K is the constant here. We are taking K equal to 1. For standardization, we are taking K equal to 1. Then equation will be F equal to QE. You need to learn this equation. F is force, Q is charge, E is electric field intensity. F equal to QE, that is our equation. Here you can see the equation. From this equation, can you make an equation for E? E will be equal to F by Q, right? Force by charge. This E is electric field intensity. Okay, just imagine the charge is 1 coulomb. Q is equal to 1 coulomb. So what will be the equation for E? E will be equal to F. So we can define electric field intensity now. This charge 1 coulomb is known as test charge. If you are taking charge of 1 coulomb, positive charge, then it is known as test charge. Here we have considered a charge of 1 coulomb. So now let us define electric field intensity because it is equal to force. Electric field intensity is equal to force in this case. So we can define it now. It is a force experienced by a charge of 1 coulomb at that point. Electric field intensity at a point is defined as the force experienced by a charge of 1 coulomb at that point. Okay, if you are placing a charge of 1 coulomb at a particular point, the force will be equal to electric field intensity. Okay, electric field intensity at a point is the force experienced by a unit charge placed at that point. This unit charge is known as test charge. Test charge is always positive. We are placing a test charge here. This is a test charge, 1 coulomb charge, positive charge. This charge is experiencing a force of 5 Newton. Okay, this charge is experiencing a force of 5 Newton, which means the electric field intensity is 5 Newton per coulomb. If this charge is experiencing a force of 100 Newton, then electric field intensity is 100 Newton per coulomb. That's all for today. In the next class, we will be discussing equation for electric field intensity. Thanks for watching.